What's up, guys? In this video, Brian plays whack-a-mole with his drone, Mike eats some Twizzlers, nothing new there. We ride some back roads, stop at Lucky You Motorcycles in Ocala, eat some food, and of course, there's always this.
If you guys only knew. Hey guys, it's Brian.
And Barbara.
With two Indians. I'm so lucky.
Kid in a candy store.
Oh, you better believe it. Hey, we are going on a ride this morning. It's going to be a long ride. We're going all the way across state to Hex Old Port Cove over by Crystal River. We're riding with a bunch of friends, and you know what the best part is about today? I am not leading the ride. Woo! All right, so anyway, we're getting ready to go on a ride, and we want you guys to come with us. You know the drill. Let's get started.
2.
Oh, we should have done that.
I was following your lead. Okay.
Hey guys, it's Brian.
And Barbara.
With two Indians. All right, I'll just put that at the beginning. We're all going ride together. Woo! And I'm gonna put Ron in charge of the camera for a couple minutes.
Oh my God, this is dangerous. Look at that, there's Brian lubing up Barbara.
There you go.
There is a table back there. Close that little door there.
What up?
This ride ends at Secret's Hideaway in Kissimmee, where we'll be doing partner sharing later.
You gotta hold it up. You gotta keep it up. It's okay to get it up.
So,
keep it up.
Oh, I need some Cialis. Anybody have any Cialis?
Wasn't this Mike's ride? Like, where the hell is he? Oh, we're all early, aren't we? Yeah, I've never heard you be speakceless before, Ron.
I didn't really.
Yeah.
I wasn't ready for this.
Yeah. You gotta be ready.
He wants it as a vacation, like he does. I want him to just go. Well, you gotta time the season.
Mike carries a bag of Twizzlers so he can always have something sweet to eat.
Oh, 2.
You know, when people think of Central Florida roads, all they think of is Disney and Universal and International Drive and all the downtown traffic. When in reality, we have a lot of great country roads down here. Probably not when we went to Dunedin. This is just a little 5-mile road. I know it's familiar because we've been on it. Like, I've been on it with you at least 5 or 6 times. Look at that bull. Wow. You see those 2 bulls laying there? This is one of our favorite roads in Central Florida. It's called Number 2 Road, and it's out in a small town called Howey in the Hills. And it's only about 5 miles long, but it runs through some beautiful countryside with some gentle sloping hills, some nice little twisties, and it's a very narrow road, so you get a very intimate feel on the road, and it's just a lot of fun and one of our favorites that we always like to hit. Well, it was time to stop for gas, stretch our legs, give everybody a chance at a bio break, and then we hit Lucky You Cycles in Ocala. Man, I've never been here, but this place is cool.
Look out.
Yeah, sure. Boy, are you the GM here or something? Look at this.
All right, so I'm with Jeremy from Lucky You Cycles. What do you do here, Jeremy?
I'm the owner of the shop. We've been here 14 years.
Really?
Yes,
You
sir.
have a lot of bikes here. How many bikes do you have? Any idea?
286 to be exact. We just did inventory. So we got the largest pre-owned selection of motorcycles here in the state of Florida. We've been #1 pre-owned motorcycle dealership for over 10 years now. We sell right at
Number one in the state?
State of Florida,
Yeah, really?
We average 120 pre-owned motorcycles a month.
No kidding.
Where'd you guys
That's
ride
quite
from?
a bit of turnover. We're out of Orlando.
Awesome,
Yeah.
cool. Beautiful
Yeah.
weather today.
Yeah.
Well, you guys want to see the rest of the dealership?
Yeah, show
Come
me
on,
what
let's
you got,
go around.
man.
So this is mostly our Harley showroom floor that we got a good inventory selection on. We can carry anything from a 2000 to a 2021 pre-owned apartment. It's halfway clean today. And then of course we gotta have donuts here for everybody.
Donuts! I love donuts. How about laying off the donuts, Brian?
We got the service department, 3 bays.
You do any tuning?
Not much in tuning, some service work and stuff, and you sell 120 motorcycles in a month, you gotta try to...
You gotta keep them running.
Yeah. Then we'll go down, we got another whole showroom floor we'll go check out.
Another showroom? We going out that way?
Yeah, we'll come right out this way. Here's a really cool Deluxe 2020, it just came in, big fat spoke wheels on it, wide white walls, apes, fishtails.
I'll take it.
The green machine, what's up?
The
guys?
green
How y'all?
machine.
Y'all get videoed all day too?
Yeah.
All day long.
We're coming
All
down
day
to the
long.
dealership.
Well, we did make it to the other showroom, but I did not shoot any video there. It was more bikes, but come check out Lucky You Cycles. You will not be disappointed. Well, as we left Lucky You's in Ocala and continued our backcountry trip through ranch and farmlands to the west coast, we felt the midday temperatures and humidity rising. We're headed for some lunch near Crystal River, Florida, at the very end of a remote road called the Ozello Trail, or Tail of the Gator as the locals call it. This 9-mile road gives us lowlanders some adventurous curves and scenic views on the way to Peck's Old Port Cove, an old-school throwback Florida getaway. Florida man would be proud.
We made it. So if you do me a favor, hit that subscribe button down there and like this video. And then hit that bell icon so you can be alerted when you see more of the badass stuff that we do.
And don't forget to comment, because that's important. It's very important.
It helps the page.
We got that.
He's famous, that's why he does this.
Right? Ribeye.
I
Are you
want-
drinking tequila or? Let me know when you're done.
Look at me like, what the hell is wrong with you?
Wait, that's how she always looks at you. Wait, Andy, wait, so.
Get it worked out.
Crap sandwich.
Ice platter. Oh, I see. I've got chef salad.
I don't have this sauce. Well, you got blackened with something else?
I got like 25 more.
I'm happy I got food.
That's fine. If we got the same thing, you just got like veggies or something, then we'll just switch that. Don't worry about it.
I don't know what to do.
You can just take the veggies when it comes.
Crab cake sandwich with the hat. The other hat. So after lunch, I was able to sneak out and grab the drone and go fly it around. And this is a perfect metaphor for us realizing it was time to go. And so Barb and I hopped on the bike to go get some fuel. and meet the guys up at the gas station. Now at this point, Barbara and I have a lot on our minds. Because even though we're all smiles and fun on the outside, inside we're both coming to some hard conclusions about our life on two wheels and how things are about to change. You see, on the way here, Barbara and I had a fairly emotional discussion over the Senna comm units. It's all recorded, but airing it here doesn't change anything. The bottom line is, I think this is the moment right here, on this ride back from lunch, when she decided she had to make a change that would affect how she rides, what she rides, and would forever change our channel. You ever hear that saying, be kind to people, you never know what they're dealing with? Now, I'm not saying Barb and I weren't having fun on this ride and being with our friends, or each other. I'm just saying that we were both wrestling with our thoughts on how her anxiety was affecting her ability to enjoy being on two wheels. It's hard for me to understand why she feels the way she does, but I don't have to. I just need to respect what she feels and support her decisions that make riding safer and more fun. I mean, how lucky am I to have this woman by my side for almost 30 years now, and as long as I'm riding and she's riding what we like, hey, that's all that matters.
You know what? You look like a Puerto Rican who lives on water. Two. Great riding with two Indians today. Cruiser Riders of Central Florida loves two Indians. 2, 3, 4, 5, a whole bunch of people.
You got something on your nose.
Sunscreen.
Right on the tip.
Protect it.
Just the tip, Brian. Brian's trying to get promotion.
Bye. See you later. Bye.
Be good.
Be safe.
Bye. Hey friends, what's going on? If you are a content creator like me and you want to have the best music and sound effects right at your fingertips, be like me and subscribe to Soundstripe. It is my only source for high quality music, just like you've heard in this video and all my other videos. Click on the link in the description below and use the code word 2Indians for a 10% discount and help support this channel. Thank you so much.